Welcome to Veganistas 2017. My name is Dr. Angie Sviggy and it's all about the health.
And I'm Chef Terry Lincoln and it's all about the sauce.
Cheers!
So today I'm going to make tofu scramble. I don't know, Angie, I have so many of my clients asking me, what do I eat for breakfast? I miss my eggs, I don't want to eat oatmeal. So I'm doing a take on a scramble, like on an egg scramble. Do you get that question a lot?
I do. A lot of people want different options for breakfast, and I think this is a great option. Tofu is high in protein because everybody happens to want to know what vegans get for protein, so here we go.
Here it is, protein. Okay, so basically to make it look like scrambled eggs, you just grab it and you just start mushing it. This is another great thing you can get your kids involved with. And there you go. I mean, look, already it's looking like scrambled eggs, don't you agree?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna go give my hands a quick wash and then I'm gonna head over to the stove and I'm going to saute it with some vegan butter. You can just use some oil if you don't have vegan butter, but I love the vegan butter. I'm going to add some caramelized onions, which I've already made, and I'm going to add a handful of some vegan cheese. And remember, this is the kind of dish that you could add some bell peppers, broccoli, I mean, really anything. Omit the cheese if you don't want. Growing up as a child, my dad's favorite dish was scrambled eggs and onions with a bagel and cream cheese. And every Sunday he would take me to eat that. And he's no longer here, so I like to eat this and it reminds me of my dad. So let's get started. Angie, check this out.
Wow.
Doesn't it look like scrambled eggs?
Yes, it looks really delicious.
It is. Okay, so I used turmeric seasoning, pretty much more for the color than the flavor.
Yes.
So let me go ahead and put it in here. And like I mentioned earlier, I mean, I've made this before with adding a little chili powder, bell peppers, tomatoes. I just wanted to kind of keep it clean and simple today, reminding me of my dad.
Looks beautiful.
Oh, Angie, this bagel looks amazing. So this is a vegan bagel with vegan cream cheese. And then this is just an amazing seasoning if you have a Trader Joe's near you. I haven't seen it anywhere else. And I'm just gonna top it.
Nice. That makes it look so pretty.
And it's really tasty too.
Nice.
And now you have it, your classic eggs and onions and a bagel and cream cheese. Angie, should we give it a try?
Let's do it.
Okay, I'm gonna let you have the first bite.
Awesome. This is yummy.
This is delicious.
I could eat this every day.
This is really good. Thank you for watching Veganistas 2017.
If you enjoyed this episode, hit us with a like and a subscribe.
And don't forget to watch the next video.